Let's get there, guys. We are back again with another mind-blowing video. And in today's video, we are going to discuss something that you haven't heard of. In today's video, we are going to discuss the hidden features in the OnePlus 8T. One thing to note here is that most of these features can be used in the other OnePlus phones also, like maybe the OnePlus 9 series or OnePlus Nord, but some of these features are limited to their respective devices. So without further ado, let us begin. Now, there are two buttons to your left which are there for decreasing or increasing the volume. So if I click on one, now to the bottom you will see this option. If I click on it, you can read captions appear when speech is detected. So this option is present so that if you are watching any video on YouTube, maybe on WhatsApp shared by your friends or family members, or some local audio file, you are easily able to see the captions or the subtitles without downloading any app from Play Store or from any APK file that may bring virus to your phone. But this thing is basically not there. It is switched off by default, but you can turn it on. Now we'll move on to other options which are there, other hidden features that you haven't heard of. So I'll go to settings. I'll see this. You can see this customization. I'll click on it, and now you can go to fingerprint animation. Now there are 4 fingerprint animations which are energy, cosmos, ripple and stripe. I personally prefer energy, but you can choose whichever you like. Now you can see horizontal light. This is there basically for notifications. If I get a notification, I'll see these colors in the sides of my OnePlus. So there are 4 options in this also: blue, red, gold and purple. I'll personally prefer blue, so yeah. Now I'll go back, and now you can see this option of buttons and gestures. I'll click on it, and yes, over here it shows press and hold the power button. So if I press and hold the power button, it tells me to switch off my phone. But if I like, maybe if I use a lot of Google Assistant or probably maybe Alexa, then I'll simply go to this and switch and turn it to voice assistant. So by default it only has one voice assistant, which is Google. But if I like Alexa, maybe I prefer Alexa over Google Assistant, so I'll simply go to Play Store and download the Alexa app. Now we'll come to last but not the least, the last feature that is for gamers, or even it is important but mostly for gamers. So if I open an app like maybe Free Fire, now you can see there are 2 options in the right and left side. They are barely visible. So if I click on the top left corner or top right corner like this, yeah, so now I can open Telegram, WhatsApp or even turn on the fanatic mode. So maybe I click on Telegram. So yeah, Telegram has opened. Now I can even chat while playing my game. So if I want to go back, I'll simply click on the back button, and yeah, that's it. If you like my video, please like and subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you.